Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse and today I am having another go. My last couple of videos have been about trying to get this look of a what's it called? Sunset over water. So this is sunset over water attempt number 3, and as you can see I'm just putting a bit of white as a negative space, just a really thin coat. Why? Because what caused the problem in the last video was the blue paint probably wasn't thin enough as a base to slide it on, and so it just became this big thick puddle and everything poured into the middle, and we ended up with a very funky looking painting, but definitely not what I was after. So this is a very, very thin, as you can tell I'm stretching it quite a lot, coat of spring house paint, indoor outdoor semi-gloss acrylic paint from Bunnings. I wish they had affiliate links. And so that is mixed with Floetrol and water and a little bit of PVA as well, just because I found that if I don't put the PVA in, the spring tends to crack and break and go really wonky. Let's come wherever you bits are. Okay, so we have a slide pad. That's what I'm going to call it anyway. Slide pad is ready. So next step is to get our now the rest of these paints are all Reeves Fine Artist acrylic, a little bit more. And I'm just going to pour that down the side. Not too much yellow. You've all seen my reaction to what this yellow does. I'm pouring it down the side because it's hopefully going to have it sit on top and layer completely out of the cerulean blue now. So we're on to turquoise and white mixed, and then we're on to this is ultramarine. Okay, so we've got a nice little rainbow of colours there. Let's see if we can get this, wow, blown out, sorry, there we go. To do a spiral pour. Little circles, pretty little circles. Here comes the turquoise. Definitely getting a spiral effect. Here comes the red. slowly, slowly. Seems a bit chunky coming out of there. You guys noticing that? Come on, yellow. Give us some white. Starting to lighten. Getting some white coming out soon. Here we go. Still got that blue running through. Isn't that funny? Ah! Dropped. Oh well. Just gonna take it sideways. I like it. I like it. I really like it. Okay. I think I'm going to have to come up with another idea because I'm just really not getting the look that I would like as much as I'm enjoying what I'm getting. All three pieces have been very different. Alright. I like it. I like it. I like it. And it's so not what I wanted. How's it get any better than that? What else is possible? You know what I'm seeing? I'm seeing a parrot's beak and its little eye. Okay, I think I'm going to have to give up creating what I was wanting to create. But that's beautiful. I love it. I wonder what will happen if I torch it. Are there any cells that want to come and play? It's definitely air bubbles. I'm definitely liking the yellow and red combination, the crimson red rather than the orange red. Wow! Look at all those cells. Oh wow, that's so pretty. Let me get you down and show you it up close, because this part here is now so deliciously yummy. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Check this out, guys. Got huge numbers of spirals. And amongst there we've got tiny little silicone cells. Look at those. That is just beautiful. In my opinion it is anyway. I like it. I like it a lot. So funny. I'm trying desperately to create something specific, and I'm creating the most beautiful paintings. Gotta be really careful not to go, I don't want that, I hate that, it's yucky, it's not what I want. What if you're creating something greater than what you wanted? How's it get any better than that? What else is possible? I like it. So, and I'm feeling like there might be something fun for pendants underneath here, so I'm not going to say goodbye just yet. I'm going to check that out when I move this first. Okay, I've had a look around on here and there's nothing that's, sorry, bouncing. There's nothing that's jumping out at me and saying, me, please me. But there is quite a bit of paint on here. So I'm just going to go around and scoop it onto this card. And then just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. So nothing's hugely jumping out at me to use as a pendant, but I make quite a nice card front out of that, so I'm going to let that dry. Alright guys, I will be back once all this is dry and just see how it turned out. Alright, well, the target was a fail, but the result was a big yummy. Isn't it funny? How does it get better than this, really? I mean, I really like it. It does have that look of if you turn it up that way, let's have a look at this. If you turn it up that way, it does kind of have the look of sun shining onto water. It is pretty cool, and I so super love this part down here. Oops, sorry. One-handed photography doesn't work. I love this, I love this, I love this part. So it kind of does do it, but it's not doing what I want it to do. Interesting point of view. I have the point of view that that is what needs to be done. So I'm going to give it another go. I have given it another go. and I'll share that video with you tomorrow. Now, happy February, everybody. How exciting, it's February. And February is the month of love, according to those that follow the Valentine's point of view. So this month, the challenge is red. And if you want to make it red hearts, go for it. But if the challenge is red, making it red, keeping it red, maybe you want to do as many different tones of red as you can fit in one painting. Maybe you want to do it as red and one other colour. Maybe you want to do it red and white and not go pink. There's the challenge. So what red is your challenge? Preferably not to see red other than in your painting. So there's the challenge. February is also my birthday. So I'm not going to tell you when my birthday is. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Probably did last year. But anyway, one of the cool things about it being my birthday month is I am going to have some pretty cool deals. I'm choosing to have a sale for my birthday. How does it get any better than that? So I am going to be, I still haven't worked out how, but I'm going to be selling off some paintings. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a dollar reserve auction system. So stay tuned. I will give you more details coming soon. So maybe there is a painting that's going to be on there that you've loved, haven't been able to afford, and you know, ready to pay what you want to pay for it. Maybe you're the only one that bids on it and you get it for $1. Who knows? It will be $1 plus postage. I am not that stupid. I love you guys, but not that much. Some of you it costs $50 to send something to. I will put options for postage, and we'll create some magic together. So guys, that's the exciting news for February. You've got the challenge of red, and we've got some birthday sale stuff coming up soon. So stay posted. And how much fun can you have this February? And what else is possible beyond what you thought was possible, really? So I adore you all. Come play with us on acrylic pouring for fun, and on our Facebook group, and what else is possible. I adore you. Bye bye.